If you're someone who is really wanting to take care of your family financially 100%, then this video is just for you. Hi, my name is Anita and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Slate with Anita. Welcome to this insurance special series जहाँ पे last week I had done a topic called HLV or human life value, which talks about your financial worth because of your earning capacity. To know more about the details of that video, do catch it and come back to this. Now let's say each of our human life value is about a crore. By the way, बहुत सारे लोगों की human life value जो है 1 करोड़ से ऊपर आराम से होती है. We just don't realize our own contribution through the years of our earning. अगर आप रेगुलर एक प्लान लेंगे like a savings plan, endowment plan, money back plan, retirement plan, then what will happen is that 1 crore sum assured पाने के लिए you will have to pay a hefty premium running into a couple of lakhs or definitely a lakh. Now many of us may not be able to contribute that kind of a money, right? लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि कुछ कॉफ़ी के कॉस्ट में, कुछ पिज़्ज़ा खाने के कॉस्ट में या फिर कुछ रेस्टोरेंट आउटिंग्स के कॉस्ट में आप वही करोड़ अपने फैमिली को दे सकते हो, would you believe me? Yes, that kind of a high coverage is possible at a very nominal cost by just taking something called a term plan, term insurance policy. As the name suggests, it's for a fixed term and उस fixed term में आप अपना एक premium दोगे and you will get the entire sum assured, which could be as high as a couple of crores at a nominal cost if something were to happen to you within the term. Well, there are different kinds of terms that are there so that you know, अगर आपने कोई बड़ा लोन लिया हो या फिर आपके बच्चों की एजुकेशन अभी बाकी हो या फिर घर में किसी की शादी करानी हो या फिर कोई और लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट की आपको ज़रूरत हो जो आप चाहते हो कि पूरा हो, even if you are not there, then it makes perfect sense to take a term plan. Well, you know what? The good news is that there are different kinds of term plans and आप उसमें से कुछ भी select कर सकते हो. Like for example, level term plan. So your premium and your sum assured remains the same throughout the term. Or you have an increasing term plan जहाँ पे जैसे जैसे आपकी earnings बढ़ती है, you can accordingly ensure that the sum assured goes up. या फिर decreasing term plan जहाँ पे you can ensure that your sum assured keeps decreasing क्योंकि थोड़े उम्र के बाद आपकी responsibilities कम भी तो होती है. Plus there are many things like a whole life term plan या फिर अगर आप पैसे बिल्कुल खोना नहीं चाहते हो क्योंकि टर्म प्लान में तो आपको प्रीमियम्स वापस नहीं मिलते हैं, सिर्फ डेथ बेनिफिट मिलता है. बट इफ़ यू आर पर्टिकुलर कि आपको कुछ तो वापस आना ही है, देन यू कैन ऑलवेज एंश्योर दैट यू बाय अ टर्म प्लान विथ रिटर्न ऑफ प्रीमियम. वेल, है ना मज़े वाली चीज़? सो थिंक अबाउट इट. By the way, अगर आप बहुत optimistic हैं, you don't think anything can happen in the next, say, while you are young years, I'm with you, but then I don't want to ignore the statistics of the number of death claims that have been settled just in the last year. सिर्फ last year का अगर आप statistics देखो तो more than 5 lakh death claims have been settled. Details are there in the caption. There's a detailed article which you can go through. So yes, which is why I will not take a chance and I have my term plan. Do you?